everyone, welcome back to Spanish Hut. Our today's video is all about theater and movies. You surely watch movies, right? We'll be looking at ways of talking about the play or movie you're watching. Maybe either in the interval or at the end of the movie, you want to talk to your friend about what you have been watching. So let's talk about it. First, we have to know what we call it as movie theater in Spanish, right? So we call movie theater in Spanish as cine. Next is theater. We called it as teatro. Actor, we called it as actor. Auditorium, auditorio. Ticket, boleto. Circus, circo. Comedian, comico. Show, espectáculo. Clown, payaso. Audience, público. Costumes, vestuario. Music video, video clip. Usher, acomodador. Notice or poster, we call it as cartel. Director, director. Leading man, actor principal. Intermission, intermedio. Makeup, maquillaje. Actress, actriz. Soundtrack, banda sonora. Box office, boleteria. Comedian, comica. Curtain, we called in Spanish as cortina. Film star, estrella de cine. Music, música. Play, obra. Orchestra, orquesta. Film, película. Exit, salida. Performance or showing or screening, we call it as sesión. Title, we call it as título. Subtitle, subtítulo. Seat, butaca. Reservation, reservación. Acting or performance, actuación. Prompter, apuntadora. Footlights, candilejas. Producer, directora de escena. Playwright, dramaturga. Scene, we call it as escena. Scriptwriter, guionista. Screen, pantalla. Series, serie. Wings, bastidores. Rehearsal, ensayo. Premiere, estreno. Spotlight, foco. Orchestra pit, foso de la orquesta. Script, guion. Cast, reparto. Foyer, vestibulo. Check room, guardaropa. My favorite actor, mi actor preferido. My favorite actress, mi actriz preferida. During the intermission, we called in Spanish as durante el intermedio. To go to the theater, ir al teatro. To come on stage, salir a escena. To play the part of. Interpretar el papel de. To shoot a movie, filmar una película. Next show 9 p.m. Próxima sesión 21 horas. Original version, versión original. Full house. Localidades agotadas. A romance, de amor. A horror movie, de terror. An adventure, una película de aventuras. A science fiction movie, una película de ciencia ficción. So this is all about theater and movies. Hope you will understand pronunciation of theater and movie in the Spanish language. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Spanish Hut. And yes, give us your beautiful reviews in the comments section. Thank you.